Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill, founder of Productive Environment Institute. And through the years, I have mentored many women who are building companies to help people be more productive so they can accomplish their work and enjoy their lives. It's been my observation that there are 5 very simple reasons that women build good companies. Number 1, women excel at eliminating clutter. Clutter is postponed decisions is the foundational principle of the company I founded. I discovered it organizing closets and later paper, but it also applies to managing money. We don't solve problems by borrowing more money, but by subtracting what doesn't serve the organization or our customers. 2, women enjoy nurturing others to succeed. Like all successful businesswomen, my greatest joy is helping others, regardless of their race, sex, or background, discover and grow into the person God created them to be. 3, women love learning in community. One of the greatest gifts of growing up in a farm community was working with others and benefiting from their wisdom and learning that I could do that in my company as well. 4, women understand the importance of managing multiple projects and relationships. Most of us are multitaskers by nature, enabling us to balance many balls gracefully. And finally, 5, women persist. One essential component of business building is persistence. When we believe in something, we are willing to keep trying, regardless of the circumstances.